Hey everyone, Sean here again with another unboxing video. This time I've gotten a few sweet Bruceploitation tapes, plus a huge lot of DVDs. First up is Golden Sun, which is the Bruce Lee movie better known in the West as Bruce Lee, We Miss You. This is an X-rental made by Unicorn Video. Bruce Lee, We Miss You is actually the first Bruceploitation movie I ever saw back in the 80s on USA Network's Kung Fu Theater. Next are some tapes made by Tai Sang Video. They're all screener copies, so they're pretty unique. First is Ninja vs. Bruce Lee, the Bruce Lee movie also known as Concord of Bruce. This is Legend of Bruce Lee, aka the Young Bruce Lee, aka Chinese Chie Chuan Kung Fu. This is probably the least discussed of Bruce Lee's Bruce Lee biopics, but I like it quite a bit. I also got a 2-tape set of The Kung Fu Master starring Donnie Yen. This was a 1994 TV series. The next box contains 2 X-rental tapes I got from the same eBay seller. First is Treasure of Bruce Lee. This is one of Bruce Lee's better films in my opinion. The next tape is a real gem, pun intended. It's a Video Gems big box of Bruce's Fist of Vengeance, another Bruce Lee film. I love those big box tapes Video Gems put out back in the day. I have several of them now, and this one's going to look great on the shelf right beside them. The color on the front of the box is a bit faded, but that's fairly common for these old X-rentals. Now for the huge DVD lot I got. I already had some of these, but most of the Bruceploitation DVDs were variants that I didn't have.